Maple is found in both hard and soft species throughout the northeastern United States and Canada. Think maple syrup. But that maple syrup comes from soft maples, not hard maples. Hard maples are what are used for your floors. Now, if you think you don't know what maple flooring looks like, think again. You've seen hundreds of them. I want you to think basketball courts, racquetball courts, yoga rooms. It's in pretty much all of them, and that's because it is so durable. Maple has virtually no soft grain. The soft grain is the part of the wood that breaks down fastest in most hardwood floors, causing them to need a refinish sooner. For durability, we would have to give maple a full 5 out of 5. 2, cost of maple. Maple is relatively affordable compared to a lot of hardwoods. You can generally find it in your standard widths for between $3 and $5 per square foot. For cost, we'll have to give them a 4 out of 5. 3, how well can you stain maple / how versatile is it? Maple is extremely hard to stain, and it's probably not a great DIY to try yourself. Even for pros, it's difficult. So if you're going to hire one, I would talk to them specifically about their experience with maple refinishing, specifically the staining process. Ask to see some photos and see if the work is up to your liking. Because maple is so hard, it doesn't absorb the stain well, so the process to get that stain to absorb is more complex and it's much easier to mess it up. When you do stain it, even a good job has almost a blotchy, three-dimensional look to it. Some people like this look, but others hate it. In its natural form, it has a very pale look to it. It generally has not been that popular in homes, but over the past few years, there's been a big rise in these pale, whitish, modern floors. It's kind of a Nordic look. We have seen wide plank maple rise in popularity over the last few years. To achieve this Nordic look, it has to be finished with either a raw product or with a whitish pastel color that gives it a very light, soft look. If you were to just finish maple with natural clear colors, it's going to yellow out considerably worse than other types of flooring. For versatility / sustainability, we're gonna give maple a 3 out of 5. 4, how much does it move throughout the seasons? This can be difficult to quantify, but after you've worked with hundreds of different floors, you start to get an idea of what species of flooring has the big gaps and what doesn't. I'm going to tell you maple's gaps are larger than that of, for example, oak. That's because maple is more volatile. It expands and contracts more over the board width than your average species. So if you want maple and you're going to get it in a wider plank option, let's say 4 inches or wider, you're going to want to go with an engineered floor. For seasonal movement / volatility, we'll give maple a 3 out of 5. Maple is a great flooring choice if you're looking for extreme durability or maybe a light Nordic look. But if those are not top of your list, I would recommend you go with another type of flooring. Thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, I just did one on engineered versus solid right up here. Check it out.